After Monday, another impactful day of severe weather is expected on Tuesday, so let's get into the forecast details. The Storm Prediction Center is highlighting a broad area of severe weather potential from Texas all the way into Vermont, but within that zone, there are two specific locations that we're focusing in on and paying a little more attention to. The first is across Ohio, western Pennsylvania, and into upstate New York, where a cold front will be moving through. Thunderstorms are possible along and just ahead of that cold front, and some of them may be severe. Looking at some of the data this afternoon across this more northern risk zone, there are some indications the severe weather potential has decreased some compared to yesterday. The reason why is we're expecting morning showers and thunderstorms across this region. Those thunderstorms are likely going to go on to stabilize the atmosphere some, and when the cold front eventually moves through our main forcing mechanism, there may not be enough energy left over to sustain a long-term severe weather threat. Regardless, the main concern with any storms that become severe tomorrow from Ohio into the Northeast will be for the potential of damaging wind gusts 60 to 70 miles per hour. Some hail is possible too, and the tornado chances are looking fairly low at this time. The second area we're zoning in on for a higher severe weather potential tomorrow is across West Texas into Southwest Oklahoma. The forecast there has a little better parameter space for severe weather. Thunderstorms tomorrow in this area are expected to fire up on outflow boundaries or cool air rushing away from this evening's thunderstorms. So what that means is whatever happens tonight will play part of the forecast for tomorrow. Initially, tomorrow afternoon, after about 3 o'clock, supercell thunderstorms are expected to form from roughly Childress to Wichita Falls. Those supercells will be capable of producing hail bigger than 2 inches in diameter, wind gusts up to 70 miles per hour, and yes, the possibility of tornadoes. By sunset tomorrow evening, storms will form into more of a line as they cross over the I-44 corridor in southern Oklahoma. Those storms will have the biggest risk of producing wind gusts greater than 75 to 80 miles per hour, while the hail and tornado threat begins to decrease. I should also mention, with all the recent heavy rain in this area, there's a good chance that we'll see some flooding from tonight all the way through about Wednesday. And speaking of Wednesday, there's yet another risk of severe weather, mainly across North Texas, including the DFW area.